Guys, I've had the LG C2 for a few days now, and it is very, very good. It's a fantastic TV. However, not everything is necessarily perfect out of the box. So here are 3 things I think you should change when you first open yours. So when I was first watching it, I mean, come on, it looks incredible. However, when I was watching some SDR content, it was looking a lot dimmer than when I was watching HDR content, and I couldn't for the life of me tell why. Until I looked in the settings. So I pressed the settings button and the TV had turned itself to eco mode. Gross. So I thought, better change that, and I changed it, and then later on in the day it had done the same thing again. I thought, what sort of fresh hell is LG trying to put me through? So in order to stop this happening, what you need to do is to deep dive into the TV to look for some TV care settings. Once you navigate through, you can find the energy saving settings. And we're going to go in there and we're going to switch that right off. I mean, it's not like there's an energy crisis or anything. Come on. I want this TV bright. So once that's off, we're going to switch our TV into ISF bright mode. That's what I prefer. I think it's the most accurate. And now we can enjoy TV. Boom. Number 2. So whenever I've been turning on the TV, this little menu's been popping up, which has been really annoying. Especially if you're trying to watch TV, having to keep backing out of the menu every single time. Just go straight into the TV, come on. So we can stop this menu automatically popping up when we turn on the TV, and we do that by going into our system settings. Once we're in there, we can go through to our home options, and in our home options, we can switch that off. So now when the TV is switched on, it just jumps straight into whatever input you've put. It's not going to be bringing up some annoying home menu. And while we're there, a little bonus for you, you can also switch off this option here, which is the sponsored ads, essentially. And I don't want to be recommended sponsored content. I want to be recommended actual recommendations for me, not what someone else thinks I should be looking at. So we're going to switch that off and make someone in a boardroom somewhere very upset. And ultimately there are loads of other things that we can do, but the last thing I think you should do when you first get the TV is set up some quick access buttons. Now you'll see at the bottom of the remote there are a few different shortcuts for some of the most popular apps out there, things like Netflix and Disney+. Now it's great to have those there, but there aren't enough options in my opinion, so I'm going to tell you how to create your own. So for example, there is no YouTube shortcut, which is annoying because if, like me, you want to watch me on YouTube at a push of a button, then you're going to need to set that up. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold down one of the number buttons at the top when we're on the app we want to shortcut to. That's then going to add it into our quick access buttons, which means every single time we hold one of those buttons, it's going to pull us back into that app. And we can also set this up for our inputs as well. So if I'm on my Xbox, I can set it up so that I just have to hold number 1 and that will pull me straight into a game. So guys, there are obviously a ton of other settings that some people like to change. If you've got any recommendations of what you think should be changed when you first open your TV, stick them in the comments down below. I'll then heart any ideas that I think are really good. And guys, if you want to see 10 things that are new with the LG C2 this year, click this video here. And for any more LG C2 content, please do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.